Go? Me?
Yeah.
Go right now?
Yeah.
Now?
No.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Justin. I'm hijacking Adam's YouTube channel, The Tent Guy. I'm going to hijack his channel and show you my warehouse. Follow me. So, we start off by walking through this door. Outside. My logo's here. We're in Buffalo. True fashion, it's snowing. This is the outside. I got this like area right here. Park cars in. Sorry, there's a bus going. I park my cars here and other stuff here. I like to blow up my inflatables on here if it's the ground over here is real wet. I got this whole lot right next to me to be able to blow up my inflatables or put up tents and wash them and stuff like that. But let's get out of the snow and come through here. I got this on here because I share this lot with like 3 other companies. So having, there's people that still knock on my door for the other places, but having that helps. Garage door here. There's a back door over there to the left. I got it boarded up for the winter. Let's see here. I start off, I got all my tools right here pretty much. I keep all my extension cords I don't keep in the trailer there. Hoses, all kinds of hooks on the wall here for a bunch of little stuff. Keep my cones and stuff like right here. Trash can and rags for going in and out right by the doors. Basketball hoop for fun. These are where all my blowers go. Nice level. I have more like storage in here than I do equipment right now because I just moved into this place. So now I'm starting to actually fill it up more and more and more. Let's see here. So I had like a bunch of Carnival stuff I got from my mom. Some of it I'm using in here. I use the trailer that I have out there. So I had a bunch of different stuff in there, like up there. All that aluminum goes to one of those Carnival games, but I don't really use that. So that black cases right there go to like a color wheel. So like those boards, you put 50 cents on a different color and I have this giant wheel you spin and like whatever it lands on, you win there. Bunch of stuffed animals I gotta get rid of. This is all like personal stuff I got that go to my house. I got like souvenirs and stuff. Signed poster for Rodney TK, the Google Dolls. I'm not opening this right now. But yeah, bunch of stuff I shouldn't have in here. It should be in my house, like everybody else's warehouse probably. Let's see here. This is the whiteboard. Right now we're not really using it, so I just have all my chair stickers that I have been putting on, hanging up on here. Here's all the table stickers. Oop. Let's see here.
Look at this, guys.
Stack this up. Yeah, I got this one for you.
Yeah, so then the customer will hopefully stack them for you and stack them correctly, the way you want them.
I didn't put my website on this one for some reason. I didn't have it on there. It's the only thing I noticed. So I had the phone number on there at least. This whiteboard's got to go to my house too. I got fireworks up here and more stuff I gotta sell. I got a couple different things too. Like I got these cases of fidget spinners. I got for like 20 bucks from a liquidator. And like this isn't open. I'm not opening it. But there's a bunch of fidget spinners that are like
Power Rangers.
For Power Ranger fidget spinners. They're like 50 cents a piece. I just give them away to kids, so like, you know what I mean, for like toys for their birthday. Tons of chairs. I got 500 chairs.
Yeah, everyone stacks chairs differently. Me and Justin actually stack them the same, this side up. So that's what the sticker says. This side up, and then the customer will hopefully stack them back on the wheels, the way that you want them to be stacked.
These ones got them on here too.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got all my regular event chairs here. I keep my padded there. This rack right here I'm gonna be using for something in the future. There's nothing in there really right now. I got my tarps I keep on the bottom. All my stuff, all these, there we go. I'm just giving these away because they were just taking up storage space. I used to be in a Carnival, so I'm like, big, you know what I mean? Throw a party over $1,000. You tell me it's a birthday party. I'm showing up with that, and I'm just gonna give it away because I don't, you know what I mean? I don't need them. It's just gonna make me look better. This shelf right here, I'm actually gonna be building like another thing right here. So all these are the banners for the bounce houses. They'll just be sitting here so I can use that space up above. My guys put that up there. I told them not to put that up there, but they didn't listen to me. So that should be down here with all these other games. Connect 4, giant basketball, beer pong. Those are all the pieces for the different obstacles. These are all my bounce houses. They're not in any order. We keep them off the ground in the winter, put them on these pallets because the moisture will be like literally come out as vinyl. It'll get all brittle and cracked if we leave it, just from the cold on the ground. This is a bunch of stuff that I sold to Adam, a bunch of Legos. Go check out his video on that later. This is my Supernova dolly. It does not work. Well, it works, but it doesn't, it's not electric anymore. I just kind of just use it. I pop the chain off of it and just, it's a good free throw dolly. I gotta get better wheels though. The wheels are gonna suck. I got this rack. I want to put another rack here too because I got this is for my high peak frame poles. So I put them all here, but I got more of those poles over there coming. So there's gonna be some 15 footers that I want to put like in a rack right here. Like I want to put another rack right here so we can use both sides, and then I can still put on my long poles up here. These are for pole tents from Top Tech. Here's all my sidewalls. These should be up there with those tents. These are 10 by 10s. This is a 10 by 20. Tarps, Wincos, those should be on a shelf somewhere. All my concession machine stuff's right here. All my popcorn and little stuff like that's right there. This says concessions, but I don't think there's concessions in here anymore. All my t-shirt guns are in here. I pull those out.
Yeah.
I got my t-shirt gun stuff and some other like super, like I got glow in the dark stuff that looks like my logo. I got these when during 4th of July they were going super cheap. It was like 3 or 4 for $1 or something like that. So I just grabbed a crap ton because the same color as my logo. My logos are red, white, and blue. So I get a lot of red, white, and blue stuff. T-shirt guns in there. I'll show you the branded one. But then you see my logo on the door. I also got a t-shirt gun like that. But then you see this goes over one of my t-shirt guns too. Wow. This goes over the t-shirt gun, so it looks like I'm shooting t-shirts out of my logo.
That's cool.
Yeah, no, just because I gotta be extra. Let's go back over here. More stuff that is just being stored here for the winter. Washer dryer combo for my mom's. All my water barrels I keep up there. All my sandbags are right here. I want to put those in here too. I got a bunch of aluminum that I have in my trailer out there that I want to put in this bay.
Right, didn't you just buy a bunch?
Yeah, I'm still buying so much more stuff. Like that's only half my poles. I got another like more poles coming.
Some guy went out of business and you bought a bunch of poles from him, right?
Yeah, I've been buying there's 3 different companies in this warehouse right now besides the stuff that I bought new. Yeah, like here's all my tops and stuff. That's for a 10 by 20 or whatever if you want to keep expanding. Yeah, these are all leg poles, perimeter, different size perimeter poles. Oh, I thought this was on the ground for a second. It's still in the bag though. But yeah, all my bounce houses go up and down. I can name them all if you really want me to, but it'd just be me spitting out random stuff. But yeah, I got their named on here too. And I try to name them on the straps as well, so it's better, easier to find them. Here's one branded tent that I have for my foam machines. I have another branded tent over there as well. This is different. So these trash cans I also use for foam machines, but I also rent out trash cans. So like, those are all my barriers. I got stickers on everything. My dunk tank, I got stickers on that.
Yeah, so I know a guy who he gives away, not gives away, but for free, gives everyone a garbage can, which you were gonna do.
That was me.
Oh, you are doing that? No.
Yeah.
Well, I told you about that from some other guy. But anyways, I told you that some guy in my area does that.
Last year.
Yeah, but I told you about the guy who did that. And you got the idea from me.
No.
Okay, whatever. Anyways, there's a guy in my area who just gives away trash cans like Justin does with the logo on it, and then people will see the logo and hopefully call. Plus, what's cool is Justin has a, what are these called? QR codes? QR code, so people can easily scan it and go straight to his website, which that's...
I got it on my dunk tank too, show them that.
All right, this QR code thing is pretty cool.
You can also take a QR code and link like videos that are how-to videos. Like say everybody calls you for that snow cone machine or popcorn machine or cotton candy machine. How do you do this? How do you do that? How much am I supposed to use? Yada, yada, yada. Well, they're not going to call you anymore if you have a QR code on the side of it that links you to the how-to video. I don't have it yet, or I'd show it to you, but that's coming. Lots of stuff like that. I love stuff like that. Don't call me if you don't have to. That speaker, I rent that speaker out by itself. It also goes out to my Foam Daddy setup, black lights for my black light setup for Foam Daddy stuff, but I can also do other black light. I'm expanding into black light stuff. Black light stuff's fun. Here's my train horn.
For real?
Yeah, I don't got a tank right now.
Oh.
We just put a tank in it, and it's mobile, so you don't need a compressor or anything like that. That thing's fun. I made this the whole solution. It leaks, so I don't know. I gotta find a better one. This is just all kinds of little stuff, man. Like the rest of the spool for my lighting when I need to make more lights and more bulbs in there, and this is like a bin for when I cleaned out my truck during the year. There's the bottom of the jack stands, generators, another generator. I bought these grills too, charcoal grills.
Oh, nice.
What else do I got in here? I keep my bins for my lights over here, more extra storage. This is all just like extra storage right now.
Oh shit, you got huge lights.
These are not the ones you get?
No,
probably?
Mine are like half the size.
Oh.
That's cool though.
I just grabbed it. I just bought it off the site, man. I don't even know. Maybe I could have bought it cheaper. Were these sockets the same size or no?
No, they're a little bigger.
Oh, damn. I could have probably saved money then.
Oh, shit.
Whatever. And that's why you get freaking plastic light bulbs.
They're plastic, they don't break.
Unused sidewall. Here's the old steak bin. I re-screwed it together. It's falling apart. I keep all my tables in this bay. I'm gonna have to figure something else out because I'm not gonna be able to keep them all here forever.
Yeah. This is the tarp from
This is
Brian.
the 20 by 40 one. This thing's just heavy as hell. But I also got two of these 20 by 20s.
Right.
Those ones are, I love these ones, man. Like you can literally, when they get wet, you can see the water just like not even go into it and just run off of it and everything. It's pretty interesting. All this pallet racking and everything I got for like probably less than $2,000 from a used pallet racking guy. That was in here. So was this wooden one. Everything else wasn't. I brought from my other warehouse. I got stuff like this, like stupid cheap, like $50. I got a pallet. My pallet jack's not in here. My buddy's using it right now. But I got that for like $75. Well, over time accumulated more and more stuff. It's my second year in business. But, yep. I got a bunch of weird stuff too, like Carnival equipment I'm gonna be pulling out and start painting it and different things. I got another 7 inflatables I ordered. I ordered a bunch of games from Twister Display this year too. I'm more focused on truck, jackhammer, stake driver, stake puller, and another electric dolly. I'm probably getting that big Herc. Well, not probably. I put the down payment on it and everything. So, yep. Peace out, everybody. Here's my warehouse.
Oh, say your channel's name?
Check me out on Party Rental Knowledge. Check me out on the Party Rental Knowledge group. And if you haven't seen my newsletter yet, check that out too. Bunch of deals and all kinds of advice and all that in the newsletter. Definitely don't sleep on that one. Peace out, everybody. Be safe.